Hey everybody, welcome back to Trinity Dairy. Don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, check out our merch store. We'll have a link in the description for that. Today is January 7th, 2023. It's pretty nice out. It's getting about 20 degrees above zero now, so that's pretty good. It's when the sun is out like this, it starts melting even if it's below freezing, so that's kind of nice. We can get rid of some of the snow off of stuff. Today we're going to grind a load of ear corn for the heifers. I was going to use a 1256. I thought maybe it would fire up, but it was a little bit too cold. I didn't have it plugged in. So I think what we're going to do, I got the 830 with the blower on it plugged in. So I think I'm just going to pop the blower off. My brother Paul's here. He's going to help today. So it won't be too much to pop that blower off. And that'll start the best since I got it going already, plugged in already. So we'll do that. Grind a load of ear corn, and then I'm going to unload it in one of these bins over here, so I don't have any trouble with it freezing up in the tank of the mixer. So anyway, I'm gonna go get stuff fired up and get hooked up, and we'll come back and do some grinding. Oh, we're back a little bit later in the day now than I planned on. We're kind of on plan B. Unhooked the snow blower off that 830. Had to go put a little air in the back tire because it was low. Got it to the garage, and it was spraying fluid out the side of the crack in the tire. So got that parked. Should be getting that fixed sometime this week. But so then I had to wait for the 1256 here to plug the heater in, got that warmed up a little bit and got that running. So we'll be grinding feed with that. got a new battery in the camera, so we're all charged up again now. We got all the pellets dumped in. It's mixing up. I had it a little bit over full of corn, so we had to take a little out first. So now we're unloading it into the bin here. This mixer, the auger is gone off the back, the unloading auger. The flighting went bad, so I just took it off. So I just got a little hopper on there with a 4-inch auger. So that's what we're running it in there with. That way, I put it in the bin instead of feeding it out of the mixer. Because of the snow that went in there, that snow melts from running through the mixer. It won't freeze and lock the mixer up. We can just scoop it out of the bin. So we'll get a little video unloading here. We're going to get finished up unloading that. It takes a little bit longer with that 4-inch auger than the 6-inch one that's mounted on the mixer, but it works pretty good. That auger's unloaded a lot of feed. Actually, a friend of mine a few years ago, he had a semi-load of wheat that he sold. The truck was there, and his bigger auger coming out of the bin quit working, so he called me up and needed an auger. So that's the only one I had. He come and got that, and they loaded a whole semi-load with that little thing, so it definitely works. But anyway, we're going to finish that, get that put away, and start chores. I just want to thank everybody for watching and hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.